One of the key components to cleaning carpet is agitation. Tandem Air vacuum cleaners have some of the best agitation you can get in a vacuum cleaner. We're using a black rug with pink sand so you can see it. Most carpets would hide the dirt, but we really want you to see what's going on here. As you can see, Tandem Air has agitation that's going to bring that embedded dirt up to the surface and sweep it into the vacuum cleaner. If deep cleaning is important to you, you owe it to yourself to find a Riccar retailer near you.